Well, away from that, the breakthrough in COVID-19 vaccines has certainly boosted global hopes of vanquishing the coronavirus pandemic. But as Victor Kiprop reports in our global COVID-19 watch, the pandemic continues to ravage global economies, killing thousands every day, even as the World Health Organization says the fight is far from over.
The United States reported a record number of coronavirus cases in 24 hours for the third day running on Saturday, days after a top White House expert warned of worsening spread of the disease, just weeks away from the expected commencement of vaccination. A tally by Johns Hopkins University shows that the world's worst-hit country, which has seen a dramatic virus resurgence in recent weeks, recorded nearly 230,000 new infections and 2,527 COVID-related deaths on Saturday alone. Latest data from Johns Hopkins indicates that at least 66.5 million people have been infected with COVID-19 globally, with at least 1.5 million fatalities. In the United Kingdom, reports indicate that Queen Elizabeth II will receive the Pfizer-BioNTech coronavirus vaccine within weeks after UK regulators granted emergency approval. With the rollout of the vaccine expected to begin next week, the 94-year-old Queen and her 99-year-old husband Prince Philip are in line to get the jab early due to their advanced age and will not receive preferential treatment. And finally, the World Health Organization has warned that vaccines are no magic bullet for the coronavirus crisis. Even as Russia started vaccinating its high-risk health workers on Saturday, and other countries geared up for similar programs, the WHO cautioned against what it said was an erroneous belief that the pandemic would end soon, with vaccines on the horizon.
I have seen vaccines transform the world and change the course of epidemics, and I fully expect that these vaccines and the ones that are to come will do that, and that will take the pressure off the health system.
Health officials in Moscow said they had opened 70 coronavirus vaccine centers in the Russian capital that would initially offer jabs for health, education and social workers. According to the WHO, 51 candidate vaccines are currently being tested on humans, with 13 reaching the final stage mass testing.